Alright, it's Joker Tanko and we're back with episode 3 of Fun with VMs. Today we are going to be experimenting on how to crash a VM. This can be done multiple ways with permission commands, resource hacker, file unlocker, just random messing arounds of whatever you want to mess around with. System 32 is a crucial one, there's a lot of other stuff. Now, there's one I am going to ask that you guys put in the comments. If you know what it is, it's the file folder. I have no idea what's in it. These weird things, they're kind of strange. I don't know what they do, but So if you know what it is, then tell me in the description, in the comments. Hold on, the thing is not working. What the frick? 1 second. Okay, fixed it. It was a notification locked in the background. A network cable is unplugged my foot. Alright, does it work now? What? I need to take that disc out. Okay, so first I'm going to have to install a few things. So first I will show you guys the funny little command. Just put it in Notepad if I can find it. Alright, so in command prompt, you will go and whatever directory it's in, like say the system volume information, the one that I couldn't open, is under C:\\. That's like your local disk. Windows. No, it wasn't under that. It was just under Chili. I remember now. System volume information. So like that. That's the file path. So it's that simple. So the command is you gotta go in that directory and CACLS space quotes, then the file path of the specified target. So that would be system volume information, and then this is the part that I don't quite remember. I think it's /E/G, then your username, mine is crash test, and then you do :F. When you enter this in command prompt, I will try it just to make sure I did it right. So cd ... Oh, and by the way, the command to go back a directory is cd space ... And to change the directory, you enter cd and then whatever, and then space whatever the directory is. So now I'll do CCLS quote C /system volume information, and then /E/G crash test F. Okay, I did it right. It should say processed dir C:\C:\/ system volume information. That just force granted every single permission applied to that. Now the trick to see, if you see, there is nothing in here yet. Labeled that yet. It's here. You go to view. Wait, no, it's not view. Tools, folder options, view. Click show hidden files and folders, and then uncheck this. Press yes to that. Press OK. Now, this will show everything. So you can see it. It's right here. This will unhide every hidden file everywhere in the C drive. system volume information. Or you'll double click and it'll say access is denied, blah blah blah. And no matter what I did, it wouldn't work. Now that I enter that command, it's unlocked. I forgot to show you, but it's unlocked. There's files in here, database stuff. This is the what? My last one had way more than this. It had RP0, RP1, RP2, RP3, RP4. And they were all blue. Except for these two. They were not blue. There's supposed to be blue files in here. See, this one's blue. It's blue like these. What are you? Kind of strange. So, that's really weird. This is where it gets all of its copies of stuff. That's kind of annoying. So, it has registry things. See, more blue files. These are all blue. They're blue and blue and... See, the snapshot file folder is blue, so everything else is blue. Confusing! So, yeah. That, and then that will unhide... See, this is the thing. NTDLR, if you delete that, which you can, if you delete that, it won't boot. Now, what I did to crash it last time was a combination. I tried deleting other things, but I think the initial nutcracker was Windows. Shut up. MS Agent. This agent server, I tried to delete everything that's file folder by unlocking it. I messed around with some things, and oh my gosh. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Normally it wouldn't let me do that. Probably won't let me delete this, right? Okay, that is supposed to happen. Okay, last time it didn't let me do that, but then I used this and some file unlockers and some more stuff, and it unlocked it. I'm sorry, this is confusing. I will put this into the description, this command. I promise I will. So, that is the command, and you type in the file path, say, for the MS Agent thing, it would be Windows / MS Agent. Is that what it was? Gotta double check. Own recycler, that'll pop up too. That's pretty much the recycle bin, actually. It's where it is. It's got its own file folder. Windows. Okay, MS Agent. Now, the real name of the MS Agent, capital M, capital A, I don't know, .exe. So, this would be, the target would be this. It would be agent.exe, because that's what I had to do last time, and then that would have worked. See, you have to do it like this for the file that you want. I think this works on all other versions. I think it does. I think. Don't quote me on. So, okay, I'm already approaching the 8-minute mark. I'm at the 8-minute mark, past it already, at 8:40. So that's that command. I should probably copy this, put it in the description. I guess. Blah blah blah. What exactly do you want me to do? Okay, got it. So, there's a few programs I need to get. Okay, this is gonna be another tutorial. Not? Yeah. You go down here. I don't think you guys can see this. You can't see the bar, but you can see what my mouse is labeling. There's a little bar down here that shows you, and if you go to devices, then go to, oh, you can see that, okay. And then go to USB. This is my flash drive in here, my SanDisk Cruiser Glide. If you click on any one of these things connected to my, see, this is my keyboard. Forgot what that is. Thingamadoodle, joystick, card reader, mouse, webcam. If you click on one of those, your computer your computer will actually disconnect it, but Windows XP will connect it, and you'll be able to. So, I'm pretty sure I put them all. Yeah, they're all. Yeah, and it'll go doo 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 doo, and then it'll make its doo doo, and then it'll say Cruiser Guide USB mass storage device, and you can go to computer. Do its little thingy, and you go into this. Okay, this was my .NET framework, another .NET framework, Free File Unlocker. This is the Free File Unlocker setup. I will do that because I'll have to do it at the end of this, I think. Oh, so I did need the framework. Okay. I actually have to have the framework for that one. Yet there was another one that works better, and it actually still didn't tell. It's told me that it still didn't have the framework, but and installing the framework through internet. But if you followed my instructions in episode 2, you'll have it. And I do make a playlist of this whole thing on my channel. It'll be in the Fun with VMs channel. I know it's kind of a rip-off Sheldon Cooper Fun with Flags, but sorry, I had nothing else to do because I just created it. This is going to be another long video. Actually, I'll just kind of do whatever not times it. Oh, it needs Windows. Okay, that's kind of funny because I remember now. This needs Windows Installer, but I have that too because I've done this on the last one. Okay, that is kind of really funny. It says it's the Windows Installer. That's just. I'm sorry. That's funny. This is like all the XP. Yeah, continue. This is all the XP kind of versions of stuff, like Windows Installer 3.1 and .NET Framework 3.5, which the newest one is 4.5. But I've actually, that other install is the 4.5 or 4.0, and it's actually too good for this OS. I can restart. It'll still record my monitor. It records everything on my monitor. And it's funny little thing. So like when you boot up your computer, it has this Oracle VM instead of like Dell or AMD or AMD, whatever you guys use, or Mac for that matter. Yeah. It'll have the Oracle thing instead. Like if you've ever used VMware, it does the same thing. Hurry up, you stupid thing. Hurry up. So Windows Installer is done. Now I will go back into What's-It. Install the .NET Framework. This is really funny. To install a program, you have to install the .NET Framework for that program, and then to install the .NET Framework for that program, you have to install the Windows Installer to install the .NET Framework for that program for the unlocker. Yeah, it just kind of, yeah. If you get you get what I mean. This may take a little bit. I know it takes a little bit, but it doesn't take long enough for me to pause it and then do it, wait for it to be done. Because I don't do that unless it's gonna take a while. Like on the first video, that's what I did. Because that took like a while, like 15 or 20 minutes. But it took you guys 2 seconds. Not fair. Not fair, not fair. It's almost done. Right, I'm back. Read and accept, yeah, blah, 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 blah. This takes a wee bit. It'll do this funny little thing. Last time I did it, it like it gets up to a certain point, and as soon as see, look, it just did. It says it loads, and it says initializing transfer and goes back down. And it does this a lot until it eventually just shoots straight up to like the midpoint after it does that quite a few times. It's really annoying. I don't know why it does that. See, now it just jumps up to 26 megs, and it'll keep doing this again until it gets to the end. So this gets boring. I'll do that little magic thing where you guys do it, but I do. Alright, it's done with its funny little download thing. It'll install, and it says download complete. You can now disconnect the internet. Why would I ever do that? And it does that. I think it requires me to restart yet again, but whatever. Virtual machines, it's just like, click, new computer. Woohoo! Okay, this is gonna take a little. And we're back. Alright, so it's done. It takes longer than I remember. But it says blah 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 has been blah 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 blah. So now I shall install this. This works pretty well. Not as good as some as I do, but no. But it works. I mean, for some things it works, for some things it doesn't. If you try to interrupt its own processes, it will crash the program. It's annoying. I told you to go away. Just shut up! Okay. So, got that out of the way. This video is going to be really long, isn't it? So, got that out of the way. Resource Hacker is just kind of fun. It doesn't, I mean, I haven't really done anything with it. I just gotta remember where it is. I know because I've put it on this computer before. And the only way to do that is to do it through a flash drive, even though I enable drag and drop. I guess it's not here. I'll figure that out later. Not right now. Okay, so we're gonna break some stuff. That sounds like fun. But you're not the one doing it, so piss off. So, the best places for hidden folders, because they've usually got something good sitting around. Yeah, like, look at all these system files are sitting around. I mean, why not delete them? Service pack uninstall, that sounds like a fun way to crash something. Ooh, I've got kill the DLL. Oh, and by the way, system files, like, they reinstate themselves, they like reincarnate themselves when you delete them, but I'm gonna fix that. I think I am going to delete this, or force delete this, and then try service pack uninstall. That sounds like fun. What the frick? What? Okay. Copy. Okay. This is pretty easy to use. It unlocks a lot of things. And you can also force kill processes. Control V. Got it. Find locks. It takes a little bit to find locks. Like, if you find every lock in the system, it takes a while. But just folder. No locks found? You're kidding, right? You're kidding. Delete file permanently. See what happened. See if it still exists. Which I guarantee you it most likely will. Oh boy. I don't know if that was a crucial system file. I really do hope it was. I'm just gonna kill that whole thing. Open. Hee 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 hee. I'm being a little turd to the system. Find locks. You know, even if these things aren't locked, I force delete them anyways. No locks found. Again, no locks found. Delete. Deleted anyways. Operation completed successfully. Now, with any luck, if we look in there, it'll be gone. Now, when I said your best bet is to go with the hidden system files, oh, well, it's gone. I do not know that from experience because I didn't really go for the hidden system files. I went for something that looked dangerous. Now I'm for the hidden system files. What? You've got a copy of it? Bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna delete this whole folder. Just 'cause I feel like it. See, if you tell it to delete them permanently on default, it can't pull them out of the recycle bin. Yeah, that's the thing. Just find lock. I don't think there's any locks, but if there isn't, I'll kill it. Anyways. No lock found. Well, I don't think it matters. Hey! Okay. I'm gonna see what I can delete and what I can't delete. I could delete system volume information. That sounds like fun. I gave myself full permission, so Actually, I'm gonna type this one because it's easy to type. As you can see, the last ones weren't. System information. Now, if I remember this correctly, this all of locks, absolutely just full of them. But now that I've given myself full permissions of the file, see, SVC host, dang it, SVC host takes up your whole CPU. It's just wait, no, I want to delete it permanently. Oh, you just tried to do that. No. How about we unlock? See, it says unlocked. Now, can I just delete it from here? No. When that disappears, oh, change.log. You're being used? Oh, well, that figures. Copy. You know how I fix this? We use some prompties. cd cd Now, what is the file path? cd system volume information. Now, I think I'm gonna copy and paste this little itty bit. Let's see if I can paste cd, paste, enter. Oh, okay, that worked. And then cd 6. Oh, okay. Now, CACLS quotes C colon backslash system. I'm just gonna be kind of lazy. I'm sorry. It's just how I am sometimes. Paste. Oh, get burned. I have to. Go into properties and find out what the original summary. Got an original name? You got one of those? Okay. I'm just gonna guess. Title. Source. What's this? What's this source of that? Well, that's helpful. Okay, I'll just do change.log. Change.log. Quotes. /e. /g. Crash. Test. F. I did it right. Oh my gosh. That happens once. Okay, it's processed. Now, I don't care if it's being used by another program or what's it. Oh! Close any programs that might be using. Oh, it's probably Windows Explorer. There. Did we stop doing that? I think I bugged something out. Delete. You're gonna piss me off. No. Oh gee. Yes, I know. Find locks. This is gonna be a really long video. Hit the 20-minute mark already. Now I'm determined to delete the system. Well, can you delete it? Yes, I really would. Okay. This thing is kind of buggy. Alright. Let's see if I successfully get a BSOD on startup again. Because then I'll happy get to be able to make another VM, another OS. Because that's just the funnest thing ever. Yes. Yes. No. No! Dang it! Yeah. I have a lot of fails like this. I may have to make this a part 1, part 2. I don't do that a lot, because I don't like to do that a lot. Hello, Free File Unlocker. Did you manage to kill it? Probably not. Oh! See, you restart, it just makes another one. It's not even here anymore. I mean, look at this. It's, I don't get this logic. Okay. Let's delete this and delete this. Delete this. Hey, you know what I should do? I should delete the recycle bin. Because that would be just joyful. Oh wait. That's the change.log. Yeah. So I'll delete you one at a time. Eat my way around it. Because you're just that important, change.log. Now, snapshot can just dial together Just get out. Is it already recreating? Well, can't anymore. What? What are you even doing? I mean, this is just... Oh. No. It just changed out log. What are these things? Yes to all. Now, I am going to empty recycle bin, because that usually helps with the deletion of various objects. Usually. You know, properties. What is this? Application? Is it? No. That's what I needed. Thank you. Delete your anywheres. Yes. Oh, burn recycle bin. That's right. But I deleted you. What? What is this? You don't exist. You don't exist. Oh my gosh, you don't exist. I told you that you don't exist. You're some... Probably get your little friends hiding you somewhere. Don't you? And what are these T-Wunks? I want to know what they are. Well, I guess they delete easily. Oh, but it's back. Just cannot delete Explorer. Where you just told me I command prompt time. cd dot dot cd dot dot cd Windows ACLS parentheses C colon dash. Done this a lot. Windows Explorer .exe and /e/g crash. Would you stop doing that? Test colon F processed. I think I permanently broke something. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Which one is called Explorer.exe? It's an application, so it's the .exe original file name. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Properties. I can't believe it did that. You're not an exe, you're an exe. Okay, from now on, I am going to just copy this, just edit it here. See, Windows Explorer .exe. Save. cd dot dot cd dot dot cd window. Alright. Control V. You're a turd sometimes. Okay. Processed. Process the same file. How? It's supposed to let me kill it now. Right? This is gonna be after part 2 video. I just hit the 35-minute mark. Now, how many locks are in Windows? Because actually, that's a stupid question. Because almost everything, all the locks are in Windows. Yeah, exactly. It pretty much just found all. See, don't delete these because it'll crash it, won't it? Because I. What? Windows System 32? Ooh, I want to delete this. Yeah, can I delete it? Can I delete it? Whoa, I think I broke it again. No, I didn't. Wow. See, I'll end the program an infinite amount of times. I know. What is this? DLLs. Hey, wait a minute. Where is that? What was it? Was it HAL dot? Okay. Let's search for HAL dot DLL. HAL dot D. Oh, just go away. Go away, Mr. Dog. I want you to die. Hey, don't send. Because nothing will happen even if I do send it. Look in the whole hard drive. Search hidden, yeah. HAL.DLL. If you do that again, search. Found it. System 32. This is the one. I can't believe I just found that easily. See, now it's gonna crash on boot up. It's found HAL.DLL, but actually, that was. Ew. See, it didn't give me a B-SOD, it gave me that. See, it won't boot without that. Crap, I just broke a hole. Well, I guess you know how to do that now. Alright. See you guys later. Remember to put suggestions for new screen recorders in the description. Bye-bye. Where? Sorry.